What's the meaning of apotheosis? Apotheosis. Apotheosis.
Apotheosis. Apotheosis. Apotheosis refers to the highest or most elevated form of something, often in reference to a person. It can also mean the culmination or pinnacle of an idea, movement, or process. Achieving apotheosis often implies reaching a state of transcendence or perfection. In mythology, it refers to the elevation of a mortal to divine status. In short, apotheosis represents the ultimate realization or embodiment of an ideal. It represents the peak of achievement or excellence, often with a sense of divine or supernatural significance.